top and rain. This night feel insane. I'm out dodging raindrops on road in this range.